Alright, so I'm making a new series called, I don't know what I'm going to call it. I think Sodor Railway. But I'm going to be giving you an example of the first few episodes to expect. There we go. For the first episode, we have James and the Diesel. James, Thomas, and Percy have been stuck working at the dock in the place of those engines over there. When a new engine arrives on the island, James doesn't really like that, and stuff happens. Huffing, puffing, and a heavy haul is what I think I'm going to call the second one. Without James and the other engines in the shed, Percy and Thomas are left to do all the work at the port. They have to put together a big train and ship it out to make up for what happened last time. Percy takes the plunge. This one speaks for itself. And finally, we have death and closure. Expect those to be the first 4 episodes of the Great Sodor Railway. Yes, that is what I'm calling them, and yes, I am making episode 1 right after I make this video. Bye.